1, 2, 3.
Katie, oh my, where is yours? Katie, where did it go? It's there. Where'd it go?
Not a cloud in the sky. Not a plane in the sky either. But that's about to change. Because today we're going to be doing our highly anticipated first annual paper airplane race. So follow me and let's go make some planes. I think they're inside having a little Minecraft battle royale, but I don't think they're gonna mind stopping for the paper airplane race. Let's see. Hello!
Hi.
Who's ready for a paper airplane race?
Me.
Yeah? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got to get some planes made here first, all right?
Wait, where's the paper?
Well, we're gonna get it all out. We'll set it up right here.
Right there?
So let's do it. All right, here we are. We're back.
Okay.
Everyone's got their paper, and they're starting to fold their paper airplanes. And you guys can draw on them, make them your own. But everyone, what's the key?
How far it goes.
How far it goes. It doesn't matter how pretty it is.
Mine is going the farthest.
Yeah, we'll see. And wait, we got someone cheating using YouTube, a YouTube hack to build the best plane.
Hold it over. Oh my god. And you.
Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Andrew, tell us about your plane.
I don't want to.
Okay. So it's a secret spy plane right here.
Okay,
Jack?
This is the rocket. It's got a little rocket on there. Got the little guy right there. You know, this one's going the farthest.
What are you thinking with the back thing there? What's that? Is that gonna give you a little uplift?
And it'll just lift it up and it'll soar right across.
I like what you're thinking.
yeah.
I like. Did you get that idea off YouTube or something?
No.
No, of course not. No. And Katie, what do you got
Mine's
there?
called the winter plane with 2 people on each
Let's see
side.
the people.
That and that.
All right, I like it. I like it a lot.
And that's a squiggle top.
Claire, what do we got?
I got Mr. Squiggles right here.
Okay.
The squiggles all over it. And the same thing as Jack.
I hope it doesn't fly in squiggles.
Maybe.
All right. Justin.
So this is like just kind of a red and blue effect. Kind of.
Does that give you more
sides.
aerodynamics?
No. Just
Okay.
Like
Just looks
design.
good. Looks good. Does the colors change in the light?
Maybe. I don't
All
know.
right.
We need
Well,
to
we'll
test
find
it.
out. Okay.
Here's my
Ava?
beautiful plane.
And what's
rocket
yours?
ship called Uranus,
Oh.
named after the best planet ever.
All right. I like
Yeah.
it.
Here's the hamburger planet.
Hopefully it
Hamburger
goes
planet.
to
Yeah.
not
Uranus
to
is
Uranus,
that
but
giant.
to far, like the planet.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay, mine is I am the winner.
Let's
and
see.
You guys are bad.
let's see what do we got. I am the
I'm
winner. I think that says I am the wiener. The wiener.
What?
And it's got hot dogs on it. Okay, you're the wiener. You're the hot dog guy, right? All right. So who's ready to race?
Me!
Let's go to the beach.
I don't yell.
All right, we're out at the starting line and we're about to do our throw. We'll see how things go. Katie, she broke her arm yesterday throwing it in the practice run, and she's shooting righty today actually, so hopefully she's okay. But this is gonna be a good competition, so let's get the show on the road. Are you guys ready, guys?
Yeah!
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Katie, oh my, where is yours? Katie, where did it go? It's there. Where'd it go?
I don't know where it went. It's somewhere. Oh wait, there it is there. Okay, we gotta get this plane. Come on, Katie, come with me. Let's go find your plane. All right, we're gonna go get the plane. You ready? Nice shot, by the way. Okay, let's get the car. Let's find this plane. We saw it flying off in that direction, and we need to catch this thing.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Let's do it, Katie. Let's do it. There we go. Keep an eye on it. I think it's that way.
I see a plane.
Yeah, I see it too.
I see a plane flying.
We gotta step on it.
Or maybe it's a bird. Is it a bird?
It could be a bird, it could be a plane. Or it could be
Paper airplane?
a paper airplane, or it could be Superman.
Oh yeah, Superman can fly.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Maybe he's got the paper
Oh
airplane.
yeah, if maybe Superman can help us find the paper
We'll have to call him. Let's call him up.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Call him. Call him.
911 emergency speaking.
No, not 911. Call Superman.
Superman, can you help us find our paper airplane?
No!
No.
No? Oh, man. Okay. All right, we're on our own. That's fine. We'll find it.
Yeah, we will. You will. We will.
There it is there, I think. I think it's over by the golf course. You see it? I think I just saw it.
Me too. Oh, I see it.
There it goes. Okay. Keep going. It's going that way. It's going to the circle. It's going to the circle. Let's go to the circle.
What if we don't find it?
We'll find it. Don't worry.
What happens if we don't find it?
We will find it. Think positive. Think positive.
I can't think.
Oh, come on. You can think positive.
But what happens if we don't find it?
Don't think like that.
What happens?
We're going to find it.
What happens if we don't find it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Here comes the circle. Let's go look. It's, no, it's crossing the water. Oh man. I don't
Dad,
know. Yeah.
I think it's going to China.
Wait. The airport's up here. Let's get a plane. Let's go to China.
Wait, doesn't need a plane to go to China?
Yeah. Well, if we want to catch this plane, that's how you catch a plane. Catch a plane with a plane. We're gonna get this paper airplane.
Plane.
All right, Katie. We're in China. Let's go see if we got the plane. Hey, Katie, there it is. We got it. Success. We got the plane.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.